Hey YouTube, welcome to Silent Code Dev and welcome to day 6 of becoming a front-end developer from zero. So if you're new to these videos, I'm basically recording myself every day doing HTML, CSS, and just every day, right? Trying to create stuff and progress towards becoming a front-end developer. So last time I didn't take the time, so the video ended up being 1 hour and 27 minutes, which is quite a lot. So I'm gonna try to keep the videos like 15 minutes because it's quite a lot, right? And I don't want the videos to be like 2 hours and stuff like that. So I actually have the timer right now. I'm gonna use that so I have a track of time, because I tend to, like, when I work, time just flies by. That's the thing I love about front end or coding, right? Like, time just flies by. So we're gonna start, and I'm just gonna start the time right now, and we are just gonna get going. So right now we have the nav bar is not working, and let me just take off. Yeah, okay. So we have to fix, but let's just focus on the actual page, right? Because we still had some few things that we had to do. So we're gonna add this. Now I don't know what this is gonna be. I mean, this is obviously gonna be like H3. And then we need this as well. So let's just do that. Let's go to okay, so we have a div. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, 3. Okay. So I think we need to like put the image and stuff in a container. So yeah, we gotta do that because that way we can control these. All right, so I'm just gonna put this in here, and I'm gonna call it class pet friendly container, and we're gonna have an h2 pet friendly, and we're gonna do the same here. Oh, that's the dot full. I mean, yeah. Also, like, when you're making classes, you preferably don't want to have the names like long, like super long. So I guess I'm breaking the rules, but we gotta do what we gotta do. So dot full amenities. And exceptional service container. Oops. Also, if you're watching this, I started a Twitter account today, and I'm thinking of like starting a blog because I want to share my stuff more, right? I want to create. I think Twitter is a good, or X is a good place to share, because there's a lot of developers there, and this is the wrong one. And I think that it can help me get like more people following, you know, because I already gained like 3 subscribers, which is crazy, you know. I love it. So yeah, but yeah, guys, the idea here is that I'm gonna do this long term, right? So I can see myself have like 200 videos on my channel, just learning front end, you know, because I really want to do this every day. And there we go. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So the entire thing. This is what I like to do. So I like to like select it. Oh yeah. So 24 and 23. So we're gonna position like that. We're gonna take the entire section. Okay. Oh, it's actually like that. Okay, I've done it like that. So we need to put 24 here. But it's not the same. Yeah, it's not the same. So we're gonna do mobile. Bro, what am I doing, man? What am I doing? God. So padding top 24 pixels, and we're gonna have this one. By the way, guys, sorry if I do like I just went out to run, so my throat is a bit like I get slime build up, you know. So that's why I keep doing that, if you're wondering. All right, let's get going. I think margin. Yeah, I don't like. Why am I using padding? It's margin I should use because it's space outside. 24 pixels. Let's just say that. All right. Let's see. Ooh, that looks good. And also we're gonna just put like margin here. 2016. So we gotta target the middleman. This is gonna be this one. So we can just do like 20, I guess. So 20 pixels top bottom and 0 pixels left right. Perfect. All right. Now we're gonna do this one, and let me see. Yeah, it's like that. So I don't know if I paid attention to this because I actually built it like that. But let's look at the HTML structure. Why do I have this open? Oh my god. Okay, so here we have the footer, and we have 1 and 2. So we're gonna target the footer. And let's see. It's gonna be display flex, so we're gonna go here, and we're gonna say display flex. I'm so sorry, guys. And let's see. Flex direction column. And also we need to give it like a background color. Yeah, I'm missing like where's contact? What? Oh, I forgot to write that. Contact us, I guess. or contact, yeah. All right, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna, yeah, we're gonna do like that. I'm just trying to think. I need to change the background color. That can also go here. So we can do background color var and color white. I'm trying to use the var. And they obviously have different heights. So here it's going to be 213. And yeah, we want to do that in there we go. And then we want to center things. Is it centered? Yeah, it's centered here, so we can just go ahead and center it in the no, I mean justify content center. Sorry. We want to align it horizontally. Okay, so yeah, also here I think we are gonna do the same. So let's do contact us. Display flex. Flex direction column. Yes. And I guess we can go here. We can like just give it like a margin. Because I mean I could use gap too, but it's whatever. Here is obviously just like justify content, something like, I don't know. There's so many ways to do it, guys, so it doesn't really matter. So we can do margin bottom like that, and yeah, it looks like contact has a little bit of like padding, but yeah, because right now it's like all the way there, so we need to align items center to. Oh, no. Yeah, I just want to like, I don't want to center everything. I just want to like center like, yeah, like that, because it's in the center. It's not completely in the center actually. It's in alignment with this. So yeah, that's also another thing I didn't pay attention to. It has a width, like everything is within a width, right, except the images here, but they are like the same. No, they're not. It's only this kind of, so they all have like a width. So we're gonna have the width to be 318. So yeah, so let's just do that. So yeah, like I said, we don't need to do this. What we have to do is we have to collect all the content that's gonna be, because I said 300. 318, right? So let me just start from the top. So we're gonna start with this one. In the sign mind and footer 18 pixels. Yeah, and I need to like have them in the middle like that. It looks weird though, so I think it's not a footer, but actually contact us. Yeah, the footer is good. Let's see if I'm doing this correctly. Okay, we can just add padding, I guess. Perfect. So the only question I have, it looks a bit off because why? I mean, where did I find the? Okay, so it has background color here. It has it here too, but why is it like? Green background. So I don't think it has it on the mobile, right? You guys can see. Am I colorblind or something? F1, F1, F1. And this has what? Okay. Oh, it's visible here. Okay. But it's spanning like 100%. So we need to do that. Because now I'm like shrinking it, so I'm like, okay, how do I do that? How do I do that? It's a good question, man. I could wrap it into a section, and I could just have that as the background color, right? Section. That would actually work. In theory, it should work. So we're gonna go here, and we're gonna wrap the entire thing. Back. So we're just gonna. I don't know what we're gonna say. Background. So we're gonna go to styles, and we're gonna just. Yeah, let's just change this to red so we so it's easier for us to see what's actually going on. Yeah, so nothing is showing up. That's because it should show up. Do I need height? No. All right, so let's figure out why it's not showing up, guys. So it's showing section, but it's not showing. What? Why is it not showing my... main section? But it's gonna work, right? Because if I do background color reds, it should work. What is going on? So let's try to close this. I'm never wrong, guys. I'm never wrong. I'm always right. I'm joking. Okay, we have a lot of projects here, so let's go here. Still not working. So I feel like it's not like updating. It's not really updating. Okay, so it is working, but for some reason the thing is, like, it's not showing up on the it's not showing up here. Maybe I can save. Let's see. Oh my god, that's why. Bruh. What am I doing, man? Okay. Oh yeah, it's targeting this. Well, I don't want to target that, so we're gonna move it a bit down here. Oh yeah, I gotta delete this one. Looks like I created an extra one. Okay, so looks good, guys. So let's just change the color to definitely not that color. I think that's like the hover color or something. Okay, there we go. There we go. Let's see what she's gonna do. All right. Okay, guys. So now we have pretty much done everything, I guess. And now we just gotta implement the fonts. So this is where we're gonna take our time, because I want to do this correctly, right? I told you guys, like, I use something called font clamp, which is basically a I think it's a function in CSS that's going to scale your font based on the viewport width. So when you increase, like, you set a max and minimum and maximum pixel that you want to have, right? Depending on the breakpoints, and the text is gonna like change. So it's kind of fluid. It's really nice. Instead of having a lot of like different values, you just have a maximum and a minimum, and then you just like, it's very fluid, very good. It was very confusing to me in the beginning, but now it's like I mean, if it's possible, I use it, you know. Okay, so oh, my throat is killing me. So for example here, oh, my keyboard is also killing me. So here we have 42, and here we have 24. So here I can use this font clamp. Basically use it on all H1s. I guess. Looks like that. And all the H1s are PT Okay, so that we can do. So let's start with that, right? Let's get the we have to actually get the fonts. So let's download them. So PT serif, right? Let's just confirm. Okay, and we are gonna go to, let's just go like that. Let's get rid of this one, and I'm just gonna import it. We finna import that. So I'm just gonna stop here, and yeah. So we just target all the H1s, right? So H1 is gonna have font family. Okay, we gotta have the actual name. So PT. We have to use that, I guess. PT serif. Or just serif, I guess. And we're gonna have font size. And we're gonna say PT serif. So let's see if that works. So now it's like 24, and it should look at that. The text is getting bigger. Although it's hard to see, but it's like, is it working? It should work with these. These are H2s, right? Yeah. So let's see. Oh my god, this is ruining it. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. Let's see if I click. This is also H2. Really? Okay, so let's get the H2 as well. I thought that was H1. Why do I have that as H2? H1, H2, and H3. Okay. So I guess we can just do. Now it should work. Yeah. So you guys can see like the text is like. Yeah. Like here you guys can see the text is 33. Is there a way I can like compute it? Let's see. So yeah, here you guys can see we can track the font here. So I'm gonna adjust now. Let's see. And you guys can see like it's adjusting, right? Pay attention here. And it's not gonna go like 24 pixels is the lowest it can go. And the highest is gonna be 42, right? So it's pretty cool. It's pretty fluid. And it's great to use in projects. So now we have the H3s. So this one is gonna be 24, and that's gonna be the biggest, and the smallest. Let's see. Yeah, so it's just gonna be 24 pixels. So H3 font. Yeah, I'm kind of repeating myself. What I should do is I should do this. H3. Because we want to avoid like repeating ourselves. And yeah, and we're gonna say font size, and we want to use rem, right? Rem. So 24 1.5, I'm not sure. 24 divided by 16. Okay. So this is basically, but those are not, those are H2s. So let us rename them to H3s. Let's see. I thought I was gonna do that, but clearly not. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, now we need to do the p tags. P, and that one has, let's see, we gotta actually click it. Helvetica. Why does it say, oh, because I don't have it. So Helvetica Noah, new. So here it's 14 and here it's 24. So we can use the fluid too. I assume it's the same. So we're gonna delete this. Browse fronts, and we're gonna do no, we don't have it. Oh, or am I typing wrong? Helvet, what? You gotta be kidding me, man. Is that really it? Let's read in the readme. This one. Yeah, so it just says PT Serif and Poppins. So I guess it's because it's missing. So we're gonna do Poppins. Poppins. And we are gonna get this font. I'm gonna import it. So here we can say like P font size, and I need to check. I think it was Helvetica regular. Font family, pins, serif. Yeah, I mean, is it applied? I don't think it has applied. Oh my god, what am I doing wrong? Yeah. I mean, it's applying here, but it's not applying here because those are not. So maybe spans. Oh. Span. There we go. Look at that, guys. Exceptional. Now we just need to add like a little bit of padding on the HDRs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna quick scope this. I'm gonna go here. And I'm gonna target all the H3s. Boom. Margin. Let's see. Yeah, of course we're gonna do the H3s. There we go. But it's only targeting one. Why? Because you, oh my god. So maybe this is gonna do it. There we go, baby. And yeah, guys, that's it. It looks a bit weird. Like here, it's like, I mean, yeah, we have like, maybe we should add like a padding. Because it looks a bit squeezed in. You guys can see there's like padding here as well. So 36, 55, 55. So I'm just gonna add like 30, because it doesn't. I don't have to be like so. But we gotta have some padding at least. So, yeah, we're gonna go here because here we have this thing. Padding is the space inside. So where's the background color? So top bottom 0 RAM, and we're gonna do 1 RAM. That's not what I sent. Why my friend? Yeah, I mean it's actually working. It looks good. It's just because it's like too low, but yeah, this is good, guys. So we're gonna add padding to that one as well. So we're gonna do, I don't remember the name, but I guess it's called the hero text container because it's just like that. We don't need to add padding to the actual image. Wow, look at that, guys. Isn't it beautiful? But we don't have like padding bottom here. That looks a bit weird to me, so we're gonna say run. No. He doesn't want to do that, so padding then. Nothing. There we go. So it just looks a bit better, right? Like we give the things a bit space. So yeah, guys, I would say I'm happy with this. Of course, it's not perfect, but it is what it is. It's so let's just make sure. Oh my god, look at this. It's responsive. So we have, for example, different iPhone we can test. So it looks like that, and yeah, I mean it's okay. It looks a bit weird, or maybe the design is not it. But yeah, I mean we got it right. We got it. So yeah, this is too big. All right, now we're gonna do the hamburger, right? So the hamburger, I'm thinking that we're gonna place this like here, right? That's what makes sense. So how are we gonna do that one? Do we need 2 navs or can we use 1? I'm trying to think because if I can, I mean, it's probably. Yeah, because on on desktop, if I just have 1 nav, I need to hide the this background color, and I need to hide the X, and I need to like modify the nav. I mean, that should be possible. So let's give it a shot and let's see how far we get. So I'm gonna go and target the UL. And yeah, I like to start making the entire page first, and then I do the I don't know if that's recommended, but what makes sense to me, because that way you can like if there's an issue later on, it's just easier. So it's called nav links. So I think I hit it. Let me see. Yeah, I said display none, so we want that to be displayed, obviously. And yeah, so let's see what we're actually dealing with right now. Here it is. So we want to, obviously we're gonna get rid of the default styling. This style none, and color text decoration text none. Okay, that doesn't work. We have to do, because here it's black and this one here is going to be white, so color white. But I don't remember list style. No, we're gonna use pseudo element for the first time. So this is gonna be before. Oh my god, man! What the fuck? My keyboard, guys, my keyboard. Okay, so we're gonna do content. It's gonna be empty, and then we're gonna do background color var apple. And let's just do a test. It's not working. Yeah. So I don't know if I'm doing this correct, guys. Let's see. Is it even visible? Don't know. Because essentially what I'm doing is I'm adding like background to this, but I don't know if I'm doing it correctly though. Okay, let me just. So the width is gonna be 100%. We can just say width 100%, and the height is gonna be 3 pixels, which is quite tall. Like it's a lot. I mean, and yeah, we have the before. Oh, it's not showing. Okay, so display inline. Yeah, when you have display inline, you can't add width or height. So if I do display block, ta-da! But before, so if I do after, then no, it's not. Okay. So so good news, guys, it's showing, but where are the friggin Oh, they're down there. Why are they there? I have no idea. But we want this to be in the front. So yeah. So I don't know, like if I do after, it's not gonna really change, right? It's just gonna be. My question is, why is this like in the? Maybe we need to position. My keyboard is messing up. I wish I could show you guys like what's actually going on. Like my keyboard is not functioning. Who's dirty? This is like, it rarely happens. Okay. Absolute. There we go. Okay. But why is this so tall? That's kind of weird, man. Let's do like 290. And the width 100%. I don't know why it's not like showing. There we go. Yeah, I mean, I want them here, right? And let's see, I want them to be positioned relative to that. But why is the width? So yeah, we have an issue, guys. I don't know why. Like it's being blocked or something. Is it a UL? Oh, it's not here. Something is blocking it. What is going on, buddy? Yeah, I mean it's stable, right? But we definitely have an issue. So I this is first time. I don't know if it's actually, if you're supposed to use so can we use gotta use AI just to see why it's not working. So we're gonna do AI. Why is the width? Okay, so use viewport units, replace. I mean, that makes sense. I could try that. Even though I know the issue, because it makes sense, right? As long as like, but I don't know why. Yes, that didn't work. Okay, guys. That's it. Kind of short, but at least we implemented the fonts and we made things work. So yeah, looks a bit better, I guess. The oh god, we have an issue actually with the. No, we don't. So yeah, I'm a bit tired, guys, but yeah, we did stuff. I think look at that. We have an issue. We have an issue. What is going on? I think it's the. It gotta be this, right? The UL. Let's delete this. Yeah, it's the UL. Yeah, we're gonna troubleshoot this. This is why. This is part of the. Like whenever you get into an obstacle, you want to love like things like this because this is how you learn, right? And I'm gonna figure out what's wrong. Not now, like now I just want to go to sleep because I'm tired. But we did something, right? And this is part of being a developer. Like you just run into stuff, and it's like annoying stuff, small stuff, like why it's not working, stuff like that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. And if you are inspired, please comment, like, and subscribe. And be sure to follow my Twitter account. I think I'm gonna set it up tomorrow because yeah, it's too late now. I'm tired. So peace, guys. Peace.